Morgan, good morning.
Hey, nice and quiet around here after a really busy weekend. 4 tornadoes confirmed Friday night. We had snow on Sunday, very Chicago weather for you this time of year. Now we get into quiet conditions. A little bit of increasing cloud cover expected here as we go later into your morning. It is clear right now, but you can see the big cloud deck off to our west into Iowa. Beyond that point, we do get into mostly sunny sky around here today. Temperature-wise, teens, 20s, and 30s this morning, but most of you are in the 20s. It's 27 at O'Hare and 29 at Midway. Holding on to freezing at the lakefront in the city. Coldest in McHenry, down to 17 there. We'll make it to the 50s here today under, again, more sun later today. We'll get into a detailed forecast, including more storms and more snow. First, to check a few roads. Brett? By the way, sometimes I forget it's not the day of our party. You've got teens, 20s, and 30s this morning. It's 32 at the lakefront, 27 O'Hare, and 29 at Midway. Most of you are in the 20s. However, McHenry falling down to 17 degrees here this morning. It's 24 in Joliet, 22 in Bartlett and Aurora. This will change big time today. It's real calm this morning. No wind chill factor as a result, but our winds will increase here today, 15 to 25 miles per hour, gusting to 35. So that's pretty windy, and we'll keep higher winds in play. Even a little breezy tomorrow, but they pick back up Wednesday and Thursday. Nice and quiet here this morning. Cloud cover off to our west does roll in late morning to early afternoon. So about 10 a.m. to about 1, 2 o'clock, you've got a mostly cloudy sky. Before and after that, it does look mostly sunny and fairly quiet. Tomorrow looks mostly cloudy, warmer, but more cloud cover sticking around throughout your Tuesday. Things still do look dry until we get into your Wednesday. Slightest morning rain chance Wednesday, couple isolated showers possible, but not too concerned for the morning commute out of that. Wednesday afternoon, we'll roll a chance for a few showers in play there. And then Wednesday late afternoon, if not evening, we watch this line of thunderstorms. That does bring right now a pretty low severe weather risk, but we could see that ramp up. Low pressure kind of sitting here, and that gives us the chance for some strong storms. If that low tracks a little further south, we might dodge the severe threat. So we'll keep an eye on that, but just an early heads up for your Wednesday. On the backside of that, we may change that over to some heavy wet snow for your late Wednesday night and early Thursday morning. 54 around here today. That's above normal, typically around 48, mostly sunny. 43 overnight, nice and mild. And then tomorrow, mid 60s expected, low 60s, high winds. And again, that storm chance on your Wednesday, changing it to a snow chance late Wednesday night. Back to you. And 16 degrees in McHenry, 21 in Waukegan, 20 in Aurora, 24 in Lansing, 27, 29 at the airports. Colder air in place. Our normal low temp this time of year is low 30s, so we are a little bit chilly here. But we warm above normal today, likely into the lower and middle 50s. Calm wind, no wind chill factor. Good news there. Winds will be strong today, gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. They'll be out of the south and sustained anywhere from 15 to 25, so on the windy side. Mostly clear this morning. Sunshine until about 10 a.m. This cloud deck rolls in around 10 a.m., sticks around until about 1:30, 2 p.m., and then it's mostly sunny again. So really depending on the time of the day. But most of your day is pretty sunny outside of that late morning, early afternoon time frame. And there's your forecast model to show it. Mostly cloudy at noon, but sun quickly after. Windy today, still a little bit breezy tomorrow, not nearly as strong. More cloud cover tomorrow with warmer temps, and I really just want to show you Wednesday. A slight chance for a couple isolated Wednesday morning showers. Should really be little to no rain during the morning hours, so not a big issue for the commute. However, Wednesday afternoon we'll roll in some rain. This is 2 o'clock, and Wednesday evening, once again, cold front slides through, strong low pressure, similar in strength to what we had last Friday. Doesn't mean the exact same outcome will occur, but it is a strong low, so you're going to get those high winds, before and after the thunderstorms again on Wednesday and Thursday. And line of storms out ahead of a cold front rolls through. We'll keep an eye on these. They don't have quite as much moisture. We don't have quite as much warmth, so we'll watch these for their strength. But just a heads up for your Wednesday evening storms. On the backside of that comes colder air. This model won't go out that far, but you may get into a little snow late Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Windy again as well with all of that. Today's